Welcome to our dosa factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how crispy thin dosas are made from rice lentil batter.
The grains are ground into a fine batter for perfect spread and crispiness. Each dosa is cooked to precision for texture and uniformity.
Every batch meets international food safety standards.
And that's how dosas are made, from rice lentil batter to perfectly cooked crispy results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tours.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.